Effective defense against phishing doesn't rely on a single tool or action. It requires multiple layers working together, including technology, policies, and informed users. Let's begin with technical defenses. Email filtering and anti-phishing tools serve as the first line of protection. These systems analyze incoming messages for known malicious domains, suspicious attachments, spoofed sender addresses, and unusual patterns of behavior. In recent years, AI and machine learning have made these defenses more effective by spotting subtle language cues, sender impersonation patterns, and abnormal email behavior that traditional rule-based filters often miss. They can also adapt more quickly as attackers change tactics, helping security teams catch new or never-before-seen phishing attempts earlier. While these controls significantly reduce risk, no filtering system is perfect. Some phishing messages will always make it through. That's where multi-factor authentication, or MFA, becomes critical. MFA requires users to verify their identity using 2 or more factors. Even if an attacker successfully steals a password through phishing, MFA can prevent them from accessing the account. In fact, Microsoft reports that phishing-resistant MFA blocks access in over 99% of cases, even when attackers already have valid usernames and passwords. Next, let's talk about user behavior. Advanced phishing attacks are designed to look legitimate and be emotionally compelling. That's why slowing down is essential. Before clicking a link or opening an attachment, ask yourself a few key questions. Was this message expected? Does the request make sense? Is there unnecessary urgency or pressure to act quickly? Reporting suspected phishing is a defense that's often underestimated. When users report phishing attempts, security teams can analyze the threat, block similar messages, and warn others. Reporting turns a single suspicious message into an opportunity to protect the entire organization. In Verizon's 2025 Data Breach Investigations report, employees with recent phishing training reported suspicious emails 21% of the time, compared to a 5% baseline, showing how much reporting improves when people are trained and encouraged to speak up. Finally, ongoing training and awareness play a major role in advanced defense. Phishing tactics constantly evolve, and attackers adapt quickly to new technologies and behaviors. Regular training, simulated phishing exercises, and short refreshers help reinforce awareness and build confidence in identifying threats. Phishing attacks will continue to evolve, but they succeed only when deception slips under the radar. By combining the right tools, habits, and continuous awareness, phishing techniques are stripped of their power.